How to pay Temu in 7-Eleven. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay for your Temu order at 7-Eleven. While Temu doesn't currently offer a direct option to pay at 7-Eleven, you can still complete your payment using GCash, which can be topped up at 7-Eleven. After placing your order on the Temu app or website, select GCash as your payment method during checkout. If your GCash balance is low, head to any 7-Eleven store and use the click machine. Choose e-money, then select GCash. Enter your GCash number and the amount you want to add. The machine will generate a payment slip with a reference number. Take this slip to the cashier, pay with cash or card, and your GCash account will be funded. Once your GCash is topped up, return to the Temu app and confirm your payment. Now you know how to pay for your Temu order through 7-Eleven by using GCash, providing a simple solution to complete your purchase.